Norwegian Airlines, often simply known as Norwegian, has emerged as a leading low-cost carrier in Europe since its modest beginnings in the early 1990s. Originally starting with domestic flights in a competitive Norwegian market, the airline quickly evolved as air travel demand surged. By embracing innovation and a flexible business model, Norwegian expanded its operations to include an extensive network of European destinations and later, long-haul international routes. This remarkable growth underscores Norwegian's commitment to affordable travel without sacrificing quality. A hallmark of Norwegian Airlines is its dedication to technological innovation and environmental responsibility. The carrier's modern fleet is renowned for its fuel efficiency and sleek design, ensuring that passengers enjoy both comfort and safety. Thoughtful cabin layouts, intuitive digital interfaces, and streamlined services have further enhanced the travel experience. By continuously upgrading its airplanes and embracing state-of-the-art solutions, Norwegian demonstrates a forward-thinking approach that appeals to a diverse range of customers. International expansion has been a key element in Norwegian's story. Venturing into long-haul routes allowed the airline to redefine its market presence while adapting to global travel trends. Despite facing challenges such as economic downturns and fierce competition from other carriers, Norwegian's agile strategy enabled rapid adjustments to its route network and operational practices. This resilience not only strengthened its brand but also instilled confidence among travelers seeking reliable, budget-friendly options. Customer experience and sustainability are pillars of Norwegian Airlines' enduring appeal. The airline invests heavily in digital advancements, offering seamless booking platforms, real-time flight updates, and personalized service that caters to modern travelers. Emphasizing efficiency and transparency, Norwegian's pricing model ensures that passengers receive value without unexpected costs. In addition, the carrier has committed to reducing its environmental footprint by exploring alternative fuels and sustainable practices across its fleet operations. Looking forward, Norwegian continues to innovate and refine its strategies, positioning itself to meet the challenges of a dynamic industry while championing responsible travel. With a focus on connectivity, affordability, and environmental stewardship, the airline is well prepared for the future of global aviation. This innovative journey continuously inspires passionate travelers and renowned industry experts across diverse markets.